Hi everyone. If you are an analyst, a business user, or non-technical stakeholder, and if you want insights fast without heavy tools, then this is your go-to tool. That is Grapha.ai. I am Isha and in this video, I'll be talking about this tool. So let's get started. So the first page is the basic sign up page. Once you have signed up to your account, this is how the interface looks like. To get started, you need to upload your dataset. You can also import any Google Sheet or insert any Google link. So I'll start with uploading my dataset. So here my dataset has been uploaded. This is the next step. I need to describe about my file, which is attendance January. What is the type of data? So I can say business metrics. Here I need to describe a bit about my dataset. So I'll say, then continue to next step. So if I want to give any additional info for any particular columns, I can do so. So for now, I can just select all these. Go to next. And it shows that my data has been uploaded. This is my free account, so I can upload 2 datasets in a month or can ask 20 questions in a month. So here it shows that my data is ready. If I want to edit any of the attributes I added earlier, I can do so from here. And then I can click here. So if you notice, the interface is clean with minimal layout. You can easily upload any CSV, Excel file or maybe Google Sheet. Then there is a chat style prompt box and you have AI assisted questions also. I can click here and it will suggest me set of questions that I can ask related to my data. Let me change the mode to dark mode from here. This is like talking to an assistant rather than creating any visualization on any tool like Power BI. Before I start analyzing this data on this tool, let me give a brief about my dataset. This is HR attendance dataset for the month of January. So it has a list of 12 employees and their attributes like name, department, the date and their attendance status. So here we have 4-5 attendance status like sick leave, present, half day, paid time off, etc. So I have uploaded this dataset. It has 276 rows and let's see how well Grapha analyzes this data. Once clicking on AI assistant questions, the tool has provided me with these queries that I can ask. I can go ahead and select any of these, else I can write my own query here. Let's try doing both. Let me first start with a very simple question, which is which employee has highest attendance rate. So here the tool is answering. This is the result to my query that Pooja Nair has the highest attendance rate. Let us go back to our dataset and verify the same. This is the percentage it has come up with. Here I'll go. I'll insert pivot. So if we see here, Pooja Nair was present for 20 days for 23 days of attendance marked. So this one is correct. And if we see, it has also created a chart for us. However, the numbers displayed here is not correct. It's 0 constant number. I can change the chart type to any of the list here, which is like data table also, maybe radar chart, line chart. So the data displayed is correct. However, the numbers represented are not. Changing it back to bar chart. So the tool has efficiently detected the columns, identified its data type and suggested insights based on the queries asked. This saves a lot of time when we go ahead and do the manual setup in any other tool like Power BI. This time, let me add a layer to the query asked earlier. So which employee has the highest attendance rate and consider half day as present. Let's see what do I get as an answer this time. I go back to my data set. If I'm considering half day as present, So this time my answer should change from Pooja Nair to Priya Singh. If you see in this visual, the result to the query is correct, that Priya Singh is the one with the highest attendance. Moreover, this time the percentage is also correctly displayed, unlike the previous time when it was just showing 0. Again, I can change the chart type, and this is how the breakup looks like. I can download this result as a CSV file, and this is what I'll get. In case I don't get an answer, then I can click on retry here. Let me try writing another query here. This time I want to study trend analysis. So this is what it has come up with. Cumulative, non-cumulative. Let me change it to cumulative. And again, these are the results. Since this is trend analysis, so it has come up with line chart, but I can change it from here. If I were to carry out this analysis in traditional tools like Power BI or Excel, this would have taken much more time. Also, when we try to get some insights in Excel, we need to go ahead and write a formula, which can be complex at times. Let's see if using a natural language or giving accurate prompts here, will I be able to get my answers or not? So, very simple question, that which day had maximum absences. This is what the tool has come up with. And here the answer is Thursday. If I go back to my source to verify the same, let's see what do I get. So here on Thursday 11 absents are recorded. Going back to the source and verifying the answer is a great habit because it ensures that the answers we are getting are accurate. However, here my data was clean, but this tool can also be used to clean the data at basic level. Let me ask another simple question. Who has the lowest attendance? This is what the answer is. Amit Sharma has the lowest attendance. If I see, Amit Sharma is present for least days. Here the tool is not showing any visual, which makes sense because we were just asking for one employee name, not any pattern or comparison or maybe any trend. Though I can go ahead and change it from here, but you will just see one name. Let's try one last query with AI suggested questions. And let's see what answer I come up with for this query, which shows distribution of attendance status across different departments. Tool is intelligent enough to come up with visual depending upon the query asked, be it pie chart, bar chart, line chart or radar chart. And it still gives me the flexibility to change the chart type from here. So Grapha is good for ad hoc analysis. Whatever datasets I'll upload, it will show up here in dataset name, and then there is an option of boards wherein it will show all my reports. So clicking resume for this dataset. Given its user-friendly interface, Grapha is easy to learn and use, great to get fast insights without dashboard building, and good for analysts who want quick insights, non-technical stakeholders, and for someone who wants to do exploratory analysis. Here we have natural language queries and provides instant charts, so it saves a lot of time when compared to tools like Excel or Power BI. However, you have very limited control with respect to the queries and results when compared to traditional tools like Power BI or maybe Excel for that matter. This one may not work with complex datasets. Though even you introduce large datasets, still you need to verify the results with your source. For enterprise level reporting, other tools still wins like Power BI or Tableau, but this tool is still great for presentations and quick business meetings. I hope you find this video useful and subscribe to get more such content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.